everyone, Abby Worden here today, and I'm an associate with Lockerbie PLLC in Lexington, Kentucky. Today I'm going to be talking to you about AI in hiring and recruiting. More specifically, we're going to go over what it can do, where it might go wrong, and how to stay compliant. Hiring has always been labor intensive, from screening resumes to reviewing cover letters and scheduling interviews. Now many employers are turning to AI to speed up the process. Tools can scan resumes, run structured interviews, assess skills, and even predict job fit. Early results on AI implementation were promising in regard to efficiency and cost, but AI learns from data, and limited or mislabeled data, or even data that may reflect some past inequalities, can produce biased outcomes. There's a new tool on the market, but the same labor and employment laws apply today. At the federal level, there's no single AI in hiring statute yet. But the EEOC and the Department of Labor have issued guidances, and states and cities are moving fast. Many jurisdictions now require things like candidate notice, bias audits, and in some places, even an option to opt out of automated tools. Requirements vary, so you need to make sure that you're compliant with your specific state and local obligations. Regulators are keeping a close eye on 4 different areas. The first is transparency and notice. Employers should tell candidates when AI is used, what data is collected, how it's used, and which job-related qualifications are being evaluated. The second is any bias or disparate impact caused. Title VII and other anti-discrimination laws do apply to algorithms. If a tool screens people out in a way that disproportionately affects a protected group, that's a problem, even if it was unintentional. Third is the auditability and validation of the tool. Employers should validate the tool predicts job performance for the role, monitor the outcomes, and adjust if there's a disparate impact. And like always, be sure to document. Last but not least is the issue of data privacy. Employers must limit the data to what is necessary, protect it, and retain it only as long as needed. Employers should be careful with any sensitive inputs. Data and privacy laws still apply. AI can be a powerful hiring tool, but it's not a set it and forget it solution. Employers need to understand what the tool does, stay transparent with candidates, and keep humans involved in every major decision. Make sure your tools are tested for accuracy and fairness. Document how you use them, and revisit those systems as laws evolve. Above all, remember that the same anti-discrimination and privacy laws still apply, even when AI does the screening. The bottom line is that AI should not replace human judgment, and it certainly should not replace good compliance efforts. Put your guardrails in place, document your decisions, and always keep a human in the loop. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.